This is a 10-minute low impact cardio HIIT workout. I'm going to include 1 minute for a quick warm up, 7-minute workout, 2-minute cool down. So everything all in one video. So if you're ready, let's get started. So just simply follow along now. We're going to start with just doing this little side step. So just step from side to side. Then when you're ready, just add in the arms, just follow along. And just for 1 minute, we're just going to focus on just doing this quick little warm up. So we just keep doing those side steps, just punch the arms across, then you can take them up a little bit higher. So this is just about increasing your core body temperature, and we're just helping to mobilize through all your joints. And this just makes working out a little bit easier. So for the next move now, just give me this little bend. So we're doing this hamstring curl. Pull those arms down. So this is a very light part of the workout, approximately just for 1 minute. Just keep pulling down with those arms. Just make that move nice and dynamic. Keeping that going. And well done. All right, so we're going to move on to the next part now. This is where we're going to do your workout, the HIIT workout for 7 minutes. So here's a preview of the first move. So just watch. So for this one, we're going to step forward and give me a big power kick and then step back. So let's get ready. We're going to do this for 50 seconds. So give me that kick. This is part of the HIIT exercise. So we've got 50 seconds of this move and we've got 7 completely different moves. So we've got no repeats. And just have fun with it. Put power between each kick. And all these moves are low impact, but what I refer to as high intensity. So they're still going to get your heart rate up. So these are great calorie burning moves, plus their total body. So you're getting fitter and stronger. And we're just going to keep going till the arrow reaches the top. That's our 50 seconds on that first move. And just add in the kick and really swing through with those arms, so working your upper body as well. And well done. All right, you just marched out, get your breath back, and we'll have a look at your next move. So this one, we're going to do a deep side step with a bend and just take both arms up. So you're going to pull as if you're pulling something down from the ceiling. Really lovely full body move here. This is great for your arms, your shoulders, your thighs, your glutes. And just keep alternating side to side. And you can make that bend as deep as you want. So again, this is what I call a low impact but high intensity. And you think how many different muscles we're working. We're working your thighs, your hamstrings, your glutes. You're even engaging your abs. You're working your arms, your shoulders. And also with this one, just 50 seconds. Let's just keep going. And because we're doing these short little bursts, just put in 100% effort with that. And then well done. Just shake out those arms, just march it out, just get that heart rate back down. So for this one, we're going to do a deep side step and then just 4 power kicks. So just imagine we're going to take a deep step. Now give me 1, 2, 3 and 4. Step it wide and now take that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just keep going. And this is where exercise can be fun, and as your qualified trainer, I've been teaching for over 30 years now. Exercise is about just moving your body, and the key is to keep it consistent. We want to be doing this every single day, and it's always about better health. All right, that's good. Step it low. And now give me those power kicks. And again, here we're working multiple muscle groups. That's how we're going to get amazing results in a short period of time. Step that wide and give me that kick. Step it wide and then those 4 power kicks. And well done. All right, so next move, we're just going to have fun. This one's great for your abs. We're just going to do these alternating knee lifts, elbow to knee. And you can travel it around the room, make the most of the space you've got. You can do it in a little sort of semicircle or just hold it on the spot. Keep that upper body nice and tall. And if you ever want your own personal plan, I do my online personal fitness plans, and this can really focus on looking after your health, whatever your own goals are. It's something I personally designed time. I'll leave all the details in the description down below if you want to have a look and find out more. And that's a 4-week personal health and fitness plan. All right, let's just keep going and just keep that upper body nice and tall for me. So you're taking that elbow towards the knee and feel that working through your waist, your abs and your core. And again, this is another one of those full body moves. All right, that's good. And just march out. So let's have a look at your next move coming up. So this is a fun one. We're going to do that deep side lateral power step, and then we're going to come up to 4 power punches. So let's have some fun with this. Take it wide and give me those power punches. Step that wide, punch those arms up. And this is how I want to show you it can be so easy to get fit at home. You can do this workout right now in your pajamas. You could just make it your routine every morning. This is all about you getting fitter, getting stronger and investing in tomorrow's health. All right, that's good. So step that wide. And these exercises, we use body weight. So we're not going to get an overuse injury by using weights. We're also keeping it low impact so it's safe on our joints. This is about being able to exercise without getting injured. It's all about safe exercises. Step that wide and give me those power punches. And one of the best ways always is using body weight. All right, well done. So let's march out. Let's have a look at your next move. So we're going to start in a wide stance, and then we're just going to do, so we're like a star, and now just aim to kick that leg across and draw the arm in. So this one here is really going to work through your core, your abs, your waist. It's great also for your mobility, your flexibility, stability and balance. And it doesn't matter if you can't get your leg completely straight. The more you do this workout, the more you'll notice you'll naturally increase your range of motion and your flexibility. And again here, it's a low impact but high intensity move. So we're just going to keep going. We've just got one more HIIT exercise after this, and we're going to take it straight to your cool down, 2 minutes. Kick that leg up and across. So it's a really lovely dynamic move. All right, just march out, and we're just going to have a look at the last move. So this one, we're going to be in a split stance, and you're just going to drive the knee up, and as you do, pull the arms across. So drive that knee up, pull those arms across. Halfway through, we'll change, take that to the other leg. But this is the last little bit of your HIIT part today. So give me 100%. You're doing really well. Drive that knee up, draw those arms across. So we're working both the standing leg and the leg that we're driving forwards. Powerful move here, and this is also really good for your bone health. Let's take that to the other leg because we're giving that impact, but it's that low impact so it's still safe on the joints. Drive that knee up, and as you pull those arms round, that's how we're really working your waist, your abs and your core. And just keeping that going. Last bit. And all right, well done. So just march out. We're going to get your heart rate back down. Deep breath in, deep breath out. If you want to grab some water or spend longer just marching on the spot, hit pause. If not, we'll take it straight to the first stretch. So just take 1 foot behind for me. Hands are on that bent leg, and just feel that stretch through the calf muscle. That's the lower leg, just where that arrow is pointing. And again, with any of these, if you want longer, just keep hitting that pause button. And now let's take that to the other leg. And the benefit of doing the stretches is it just helps to really realign your muscles after exercising, helps prevent injury. And you should be really glowing from that. And now let's come up. We're going to do a hamstring stretch. So extend one leg out straight, hands are on the bent leg. Just feel that stretch through the back of the upper thigh, the hamstring. Just lift those toes slightly up, and now let's take that to the other leg. And do let me know in the comments down below if there's any particular workouts you'd like, or also just how you're getting on with your health journey and what you enjoy about these quick home workouts. And now let's come up to standing. If you need to, place a hand by a wall for balance. We're going to take one leg up, the supporting leg, the knee is slightly bent. Just feel the stretch running down the front of your thigh. And then we just take that to the other leg. So again, supporting leg slightly bent. Just feel that through that quadricep. And now let's take your arms in front. Just imagine you're hugging a big beach ball. Just feel a stretch through the top of your upper back. And we're nearly finished, just got a couple more stretches to do. And let's take those arms behind. Get a lovely stretch through the front of your chest for me. And then we're just going to take one arm up, feel that tricep stretch. And now let's change and take that to the opposite arm. So well done. There is your high five. That is your workout complete. As easy as that. This is all about investing in your future health. So I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. And well done for doing today.